What's up, YouTube? Today is another special episode right here on What's New Barbecue. I appreciate you for stopping by. Before we get going, make sure you like and subscribe and leave me a comment at the end of this video. Now, I've been seeing that y'all been enjoying a cheeseburger video that I did about a year and a half ago, and today we're going to bust out another cheeseburger, but not just any cheeseburger, guys. A Wagyu cheeseburger brought to you by Six Brothers Beef. Their information will be down below in the description box. Let's get to it. Alright gang, it's time to get to work on these Wagyu burgers here. Look at that, guys. These are beautiful. They're probably about right under half a pound each. I saved a little bit. We'll do something with that a little bit later at another time. But what we're going to do while the Weber kettle's getting fired up is we're going to hit these burgers with some smoke shake from North Texas BBQ Addicts. I will have the Facebook group link and the link on where you can get this at as well in the description box. This seasoning is really awesome on beef. It's an all-purpose, but it goes great on beef, and I love it on burgers. It's just got an awesome flavor profile for any kind of burger. Anybody's going to like it. So we're going to put a little bit on this side, flip it over, and repeat. We are using some cherry wood chips today for our smoke, and we've got us some Colby Jack cheese that we'll be putting on these a little bit later. So we got the Weber kettle getting fired up. It's just as easy as that, guys. We're seasoning up burgers. These look beautiful. Wagyu. Next time I see y'all, we'll be putting them on the kettle. Alright, so our kettle is to about 325 degrees on the indirect side of our old copper kettle. Just like last time I told you, we've got our heat source over here with our charcoal and our cherry wood chips, and we're going to put these beauties on the indirect side so they can soak up some of that good cherry smoke and reverse sear. Those are looking beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. We're going to go for about 10 minutes and then we'll check on them. Alright, we're at the 10-minute checkpoint and we're still rolling about 350 degrees on the Weber kettle. These burgers are looking awesome. We are going to go ahead and give them a flip. They're extra tender because they are Wagyu. Man. There we go. That'll be just fine. We're going to put cheese over it here in a little bit. Give this a flip as well. Man, those are juicy. Let me bring y'all on for a close-up and show you what we're looking like. That's what we're looking like, guys. 10 minutes in. We still got plenty of heat and plenty of that cherry wood smoke. Rolling at 350 degrees. I'm going to shut this down and let it go for 10 more minutes. Look at how juicy these guys are getting. And we'll check on them then and see what we need to do to them next. Y'all stick around. Alright, addicts, it's time to check on these burgers. Wow, look at that color on them. Those juices are puddling up. Smelling insane out here. I do want to go ahead and add some more of our cherry wood chips in here. Just like that there. So we can keep that smoke rolling. And what I'm going to do now is take our burgers. Look at that. Look at how juicy those are, guys. I want to go ahead and take our burgers. And we're going to move them a little bit closer to the fire. Let me show you this one. Jeez, can't wait to try these bad boys out. We're going to move them a little bit closer to the fire. I'm going to move this one a little bit back. Right there. Just so we can start crispening up that Wagyu meat. So we can get a nice little outer shell on our burgers here. Go ahead and shut this bad boy down. I'm going to check on that in 5 minutes. Let's go! It's burger time. Let's see what we're looking like, y'all. Woo-wee! That's looking beautiful. I'm going to show y'all that. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see. Let's set these back a little bit now that they got firmed up since they were closer to the heat over here. What I do want to do now is see what our internal temperature is on our burgers. They're completely juicy. Registering right under 140 on that one. Over 145 on that one. We're in perfect timing. Now it's time to level these bad boys up. So let me go grab some other ingredients. Like I said, guys, now that these are over 145 degrees internal, we're going to level these bad boys up. I'm going to put some Colby Jack cheese on this one. My brother doesn't want onions on his burger, so I'm going to leave them off of his. But then we're going to put some onions on this other burger right before we put our Colby Jack cheese on. So it kind of steam cooks it as it melts down onto that burger patty. That's what we're looking like, guys, right over 145 degrees, give or take. One of these patties is a little bit bigger than the other, but I'm going to shut this down, give it 5 more minutes, and then we'll check on them and likely pull them off. Can't wait. Alright, barbecue people, let's take a peek at these burgers and see what we're looking like. That cherry wood's still smelling awesome. Let me show you up close what this Colby Jack onion cheeseburger's looking like. Check this out, guys. We're going to set that on the plate, let it rest. And this is the one with just the Colby Jack on it. Both of those are looking beautiful. We're going to let these rest for about 5 minutes. We're probably around 145 to 150 degrees internal on these Wagyu burgers. And I'm going to go ahead and toast up some buns. And next time I see y'all, it's taste test time. Alright guys, it's time to finish up this bad boy. It's looking awesome. I just cut up a little bit of some pickles on here, and now we got some spicy brown mustard. And we toasted those buns off camera. Literally only took about 3 minutes on the Weber kettle. Get some spicy brown mustard going on in here. Just like that. Now we top it off with the crown. I can't wait to give this a try. Just like that, guys, we've got us a Wagyu Colby Jack cheese and sliced onion cheeseburger with some dill pickles on top. This looks awesome. I love me a good burger. Look at that cheese, those pickles, everything's looking great. There's only one more thing to do, and that's to give it a try. So let's see what we're working with here. Remember, we started with about a pound of some Wagyu ground beef, and we used that for 2 burgers, so about a half a pound each burger, and we reverse seared these bad boys. Cheers, y'all. That's awesome. Check this out. Look at the inside of that burger. That's what you want. At least that's what I want. Right around a medium, almost under a medium. Perfect for me. You get that smoky element, you get that smoke shake, the cheese, the onions, the dill pickle, and then the toasted bun. This was a success, guys. One last shot for y'all. I'm gonna go and eat this burger. I appreciate y'all for stopping by What's New Barbecue. Until next time, guys, y'all keep on barbecuing. Beer and burger.